Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I wanted to share with you guys some more updates on the construction of the new stadium. As of now, there are machines breaking ground, and there's some trucks over there that are gonna remove the pile up of dirt and grass out of the site, so they could get the land cleared up. There's one truck over there. Here's another one over here. So we might be seeing the pile up of dirt and grass going away very soon. So here's a view of the site. Here's another view up here. I'm gonna get down because I don't want to be seen by the team. Alright. I wanted to share with you guys some work that has been done over here. There's a pile up of dirt here. So up here too. As you can see, the machine is already putting dirt on the truck. So soon the dirt is gonna be taken away. There's another opening right here. As you can see, they made some holes here. I could see what looks like to be pipes. So they are busy. I'm gonna show you guys over here. Hold on. It's another opening right here. Alright, so here's a clear open view. So this is great to see the crew moving fast. Alright, over here more. They have some containers here. I don't know for what, but it's here. So another one. I don't know if that's a hole that's been made. Here's another one, but I see what looks like to be a pipe in there too. Yeah. So we are gonna see what's over here too. Well, as of now, just only this side of the field is getting worked on. Over here, still the same, but very soon everything is gonna be removed until baseball is over. So after baseball is over, then they're gonna move on to the side. So I hope that we see that beginning soon later this year. So I'm just walking back to show you guys what's been going on over here. Another view here. So they are clearing the pile up right now. So I'm gonna show you guys over here. Oh, here's another view. There's another pickup. Well, there's another truck right there. Right here. That's the electrical box. I'm not so sure. There's another truck leaving. They had their machine that was stored over there running. So they are busy. Here's another open view. I'm gonna try to get to the gate, but I'm not gonna go in because I don't want to get caught. Oh, here's another truck coming. There's another truck coming out to take away the dirt. So another view right here. Alright. Gonna move on over here. Here's another view. Alright, so you're gonna see that truck coming out. Alright. I'm just gonna stay on this side. Obviously, I don't want to get caught. Alright. I think that machine is supposed to cut the branches. Okay. Just gonna wait. Is there another truck coming? Alright. So I wouldn't want to go in, but I can't. And there's another truck coming, so I'm not even gonna move from here until that truck passes by. Alright, so that truck is gone. Oh. Alright, so just gonna sit here. Oh. Alright, so I don't know.
You want me to go back to the other side or stay here?
Oh, I see another truck coming. I am trying to stay away from here. Hey. Good. Hey, you don't mind if I am just taking pictures and videos of this?
Just for fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. As long as you don't go inside the job site.
Oh.
Yeah, you can't go inside.
Oh, okay. So I could be just on this side, but
Yeah, just be careful because there is trucks that are coming in and out.
yeah, yeah.
They don't slow down too much sometimes. So
Oh, okay.
don't stand in front of the gate here. Yeah. Yeah, but if you're like over here off to the side, you're
Okay.
out of the way. That's fine.
Okay. Hey, so how much do you guys get paid to do this, all this stuff?
It varies from person to person.
Oh.
Have a
Okay.
nice day.
You too. Alright. Just gonna stay off the site. This is how it looks. Alright. So it is dangerous to go inside because all the machines running and they're moving a lot, so that's why I'm not allowed to go in. But here's another truck coming. Alright. Alright, so alright, so just gonna continue recording for a few minutes, then I'm off. Okay. I wonder if I could just film inside of their storage site, but I don't know. Well, I guess that's it for this update. And if you liked what you have seen, then please like this video, subscribe, and turn on those post notification bells. And see you next time. And here's another truck coming. Alright, so that's it for today. Alright. See you guys. Bye.